मैं हूं नफीसा खान और आप देख रहे हैं फिल्मी बीट। फिल्म कॉकटेल से अपने फिल्मी करियर की शुरुआत करने वाली प्यारी सी एक्ट्रेस डायना पेंटी अपनी इस पहली ही फिल्म से सुर्खियों में आ गई थी, लेकिन अचानक उन्होंने फिल्मों से ब्रेक ले लिया। अब एक बार फिर से वो अपने फिल्मी करियर की शुरुआत करने जा रही हैं और फिल्म का नाम है हैप्पी भाग जाएगी। हाल ही में इस फिल्म के लिए एक आइटम सॉन्ग शूट किया गया, जिसमें डायना पेंटी का साथ दिया है मीका सिंह ने। इस मौके पर डायना ने मीडिया से बातचीत भी की और अपने इतने लंबे ब्रेक के बारे में, अपने करियर के बारे में और अपने इस आइटम सॉन्ग के बारे में कुछ दिलचस्प बातें की डायना पेंटी ने। आइए जाने वो बातें क्या थी।
आप इस गाने के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे, कितना मज़ा आ रहा है और किस तरह का गाना है?
It's a fun song. It's a very fun party song. It's catchy. Have you heard it? You just heard it. What did you think? So it's a really fun song. It's been sung by Mika, who was a pleasure to work with, and choreographed by Caesar, who I've worked with before. So it was, it was very comfortable, and it was very fun to be back and to be, doing these steps, which are, they were quite catchy, and the numbers catchy. So I had a good time. It was a bit tiring because we shot for 2 nights in a row, but worth it.
आपको जो अटायर है वो भी काफ़ी डिफरेंट है और काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है, उसके बारे में भी बताइए।
This?
Yeah.
Indian, yeah. So it's it's in keeping with the theme and the vibe of the song, which is Gabru Ready to Mingle. So I think it was like the perfect outfit, and I felt good in it. So
आपको लगता है ये गाना जो है ब्लॉकबस्टर होने वाला है, ये मेन एलिमेंट होने वाला है पूरी फिल्म का?
I hope so. I mean, the film has a lot of nice music, but different kind of music. This is probably the only like fast, catchy party song, and the rest of the film has more soulful, Sufi, like the one we just released, Tera, Ashik Tera, and there's a lot of other good stuff coming up. But that's a very different genre of music. That's more, slow and soulful and beautiful lyrics, and this is the only party fun song.
लव आजकल के बाद जो है एक लंबा ब्रेक हो गया, उसके बाद ये मूवी
I didn't do that आजकल.
अभी वो बंधु सगा तुझे सॉन्ग के बाद आप ये गाना करते हैं।
Yes.
कितना डिफरेंट है दोनों में? आप
Very different. Also because the characters are so different. So the whole approach to the song was different. Meera was a very shy, was a quiet character, and that song was part of the script and part of the film. So it was in keeping with that. This is not part of the film per se. It's more right at the end, where everyone's just having a good time and it's like partying, whatever. So it's not sticking to the story in any way, but it is an extension of the character, which, like I said, is very different from Meera. So this is a completely different zone. That was a completely different zone.
कॉकटेल के बाद एक लंबा ब्रेक हो गया, उसके बाद ये मूवी आ रही है, तो क्या और प्रोजेक्ट आप कर रही हैं?
Yeah. I'm going to do more. Don't worry. I'm not going to bhago this time.
कॉकटेल के बाद आपने बहुत लंबा ब्रेक लिया है, तो इसकी कोई खास वजह?
I'm sorry. Why did I take a long break?
हाँ, कॉकटेल के बाद आप 2-3 साल बाद ये
हाँ.
मूवी लगी, तो आर यू टेकिंग अ लॉन्ग ब्रेक?
I was actually, I guess there's a right time for everything, and I was kind of waiting for and looking for the right script. I was meeting people, I was reading scripts, but nothing ever clicked. And this was the first script that clicked with me when I felt like it made sense to do this after so long. It made sense to do a film in which the character is completely different from the first one that I did. So it gave me, more to do. It was a challenge for me, so that's why I wanted to do this.
After this lead role, are you expecting a nomination in a Filmfare Award?
Oh God, I haven't even thought of that. It's like one step at a time. Let's just wait for 19th August.
what kind of cinema you want to be?
I'm sweating. Sorry?
किस तरह की सिनेमा के साथ आप इन्वॉल्व होना चाहिए?
I have a certain sensibility, and I guess for me it's more like when I read a script, if I really like it and it interests me and excites me, I get bored very easily. So when I read a script and I like it, that's something that I want to watch maybe, and something that I want to read, then I want to be associated with something like that. Also, character-wise, I'd like to play different kinds of roles and not maybe stick to the same thing, because I like to do things that are challenging for me. Otherwise, what's the point of doing the same thing again? Which in the beginning I thought, like after Cocktail, I thought, okay, I'll play the same kind of role because it's safe and I know how to play it and it's very close to me. But then I thought about it. I had so many years to think about it. I thought about it and I said, why not do something completely different? So here I am.
आपकी co-stars अभय देओल और अलीफ फजल के साथ आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
It was a really good experience because they were. It was a really good experience working with Abhay and Ali because they're both really fine actors, and it was very easy to work with them because you just have to react off of them when you're in a scene with them. So there was a lot to learn, of course, from both of them.
तो ये थी डायना पेंटी जो कि अपनी फिल्म हैप्पी भाग जाएगी के एक स्पेशल गाने की शूटिंग कर रही थी। फिलहाल इसी खबर के साथ फिल्मी बीट में बस इतना ही।